welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beverly. On my channel I focus on fashion and styling videos. Today I'm going to show you how to style a denim maxi skirt. We all know that denim skirts are in fashion right now. Everyone's recreating their Justin and Britney moment, so I'm going to show you 9 ways to dress your denim skirt. So let's get straight to this video. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment below because it really helps my video out. If you have not watched my previous video, make sure you watch it. I'll leave it right here for you to watch, and thank you guys. See you soon. Bye bye.